Good morning. Oh, it's a nice, crisp morning again. Yeah, every morning's like this, I guess. But it's been getting up in the 80s here, so it's kind of wild. But today is Tuesday, and we were supposed to leave yesterday on Monday, and that didn't happen because Deborah didn't get her rig back in time. But she did get it yesterday, and I'm gonna do like I did in my last couple of videos. Put this clip first to fill you in, and then the last couple of days of just whatever we've been doing. So today's the last full day that we're here, and I gotta get everything done, everything packed up, everything buttoned down. Yeah, I got me some of that People's Choice. You know, my neighbor, he gave me all the hot stuff. Well, I ended up making an order. And, yeah, not sponsored, but pretty good beef jerky. And I got several different kinds of new new flavors. So I'm going to be trying those out. But it's always a good little, first thing when you get up, you need just a little bit of energy. Yeah. Get a couple of bites of beef jerky, get your coffee. Yeah. Well, my plants are going away today. There they are. I'm going to go ahead and pick everything, and they're going to head to the dumpster. Yeah, unless I find somebody to take them prior to that, but no takers so far. I'm going to also fire up the air fryer and whatever jalapenos on here. I got the cream cheese and the bacon. I'm going to go ahead and make me some stuffed jalapenos. Yeah. But they have done so good this summer. And that one over there is just about on its last leg. But it's still producing tomatoes. But it's all crispy. Yeah, it's all drying up. But I have a pretty big bowl of tomatoes that I have gotten off this in the last few days. Yeah. So, thank you, tomato plant and jalapeno plant. Yeah. Got some good jalapenos on here, too. I don't know, 5, 6 of them. And these tomatoes are huge compared. And I thought they were the same. I don't have the name of that one in that one, but this one, somebody asked me and I forgot to mention it. Husky Cherry Red. Husky Cherry Red. And these just fell off. So, anyway. So I'm going to hit the ground running here in a minute and probably won't stop till dark to get everything done. I think we needed these extra days anyway. But anyway, I'm going to fill up my freshwater tank today. That's one thing I have to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my hose up and my sewer hose and all that. And the only thing I'll have to do in the morning is unplug my electric and drive away. So anyway, got some cute clips of the puppies, so stay tuned for that. Good morning. It is fried potatoes day. Yeah. I'm making some fried taters. I have some leftover pork chops from last night that I cooked in the air fryer. Eggs. We'll see. We'll see what ends up being for breakfast. Okay, here are all my overflow spices that I took out of that drawer here when I changed everything to these little spice bottles. So I am gonna go through all my spices up here, take everything that's in here and refill them. So one at a time. Salt. Yeah, see, I know I've got 2 of these salts. So that's my little project for this morning. Okay, that is done. I checked everything. I used the rest of this, so now I need to put these on my list so I will have backup. Ooh! But, well, I don't need the salt right now, but, goodness. All right, everything in here is updated, filled. Got a little bit of pinto beans. Oh, I can put those, I think, in that container. Nope, it's full. All right.
What is it? Oh, I know. Oh, goodness. I know it. I know. Are you excited? What about you, Sammy? Oh, goodness.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. Oh, goodness. You're just a big playful thing, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. You're just playful. Fin, yow, yow. Oh. Mwah. You just playful. What is it, Finn? Really? Oh, what is it? Come here. What is it? What is it? Oh. What are you excited about? What are you excited about? Huh? What are you excited about? Oh, goodness, get up here. What are you excited about? Oh. 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 Yeah, look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. He's so sweet. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh.
Careful. Oh, my gosh. Be careful. I can jump. Wow.
Oh.
That was a good job.
Good job. There's Deborah. Well, can you even see her? I'm shooting into the sun. There's Phoenix. We're here to pick up Phoenix. Well, this is horrible lighting, but let me sit in the sun. So it is Monday. We were supposed to leave today, headed towards Quartzsite, and that didn't happen. We're just now here to pick up Phoenix. And we're going to drive her around for about an hour just to make sure everything before we get on the road. So we're going to drive some on the highway. We're going to drive some on the highway and check it out and make sure everything's running good, no little new noises or anything. And then we plan on leaving on Wednesday because we still gotta do some things, and Deborah's gotta, you know, get ready to roll, move some stuff back into her rig. Are you cute? Are you cute?